All right, so in this video, I want to show how to install the headrest that is optional on the Majestic 440 HD. Now you can get a headrest for the IQ 7000, 8000, and I believe it comes standard on the 9000 if you get the auto recline, because the seat back does recline, so having a headrest is very important. It's really easy to install. It's going to come in one box. It's going to come already assembled like this, and it looks a little intimidating. You might think, like, how do I do this? We got you covered. You're going to take an Allen key. There's a tool set that comes with each unit, so you got to find the correct one. I believe there's 3 different Allen keys, and this is the one that fits on this one. So I actually have already loosened it. You take these pieces off, and you're going to have 2 on each side. Now you'll notice there's a smaller size and there's a bigger one. Now the bigger size is the one that you want to put on the actual chair. So I got the big hole, or the big side is going to go right on the chair, just like that. And then you want to insert this piece underneath. Now when you want to tighten up the Allen key, but you want to make sure it is tightened with this below where this bracket is. So now I got one side, we'll get the other. Remember, the big hole is going to go like that, and you want the Allen keys to face outward. The portion, the bolt part where you insert the Allen key, you want that to stick on the outside. So before I tighten it, I want to make sure this is installed. And remember, it has to be clamped with this little knob sticking out. You don't want this to be clamped, it has to be above that. So I'm going to tighten this side. All right, so now we got these installed on each side. So at this point, you'll notice this is all mounted together at one piece, but there's a clamp on each side so you can extend it. So depending on which chair you have, you can adjust it to the correct correct width of your chair. So I want to adjust. Now another part, there's actually 3 adjustments on the headrest. So I want to adjust this up for now, and we'll adjust it to the correct setting here in just a moment. And actually what I want to do is I want these to stick out to the side because they're going to get in the way. I want to try to insert this. Yeah, that's how it installs. So you put one side into here, and then I'm going to stretch this out so it will fit on the other side. You actually have to do it at the same time, just like that. Now if I pull this knob out, there, you heard that click into place, and that one clicked into place. So now we've got it. You want to center the headrest in the center of the chair, and then once you get it to the correct place, then you just clamp this into place. You can tighten these if this is not tight enough. You would use the Allen key in here, but this is already tight enough, and you'll see there's 3 adjustments here. That's why it looks kind of funny. So this will adjust it this way, this one adjusts the headrest this way, so you can kind of match it to the height of the user. So it's going to give you a little bit of give. So it's a matter of adjusting these 3 adjustment buttons to get it to the correct height for you. So let me take a seat, sit into here. Oh, you can adjust the height here. That's what I'm not doing. There's another clamp here, so I can adjust this up and now lock it into place. So that should help with getting it to where we want it. Also contours, so I can bend these in to get good head support, and I think that's the right positioning. That's how you install the optional headrest. So I just want to go over the adjustments one more time. So you got these knobs here. You'll notice that that is not secured yet. I make sure it's lined up so this knob goes in, so it's secured on both sides. There's only one hole to adjust it to, so you can't adjust it more on this side. And of course, as I mentioned, you want to adjust these clamps to make sure this headrest is centered. This will adjust the height. And then you have the 3 buttons. So it's just a matter of figuring out the correct angle for you. Everyone's shape is different. You might need to do it that way. And of course, the headrest is adjustable to contour to your head to give you more support.